Hello everyone, I am Dhruv Dumbre, a final year BTech student at GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Waguli, Pune. Today I am excited to present our final year project titled LegalEase, an AI-powered legal documentation assistant. Our project was developed under the valuable guidance of Professor Deepika Dabade and with the constant support of our coordinators, Dr. Vaishali Bhaviskar and Dr. Trupti Mohta ma'am. I also extend my sincere thanks to our HOD, Dr. Rachna Sabe ma'am, and our campus director, Dr. R.D. Karatkar sir, for their guidance and encouragement through this journey. I am joined with my teammates Pratik Shinde and Shruti Pottar, and together we are thrilled to walk you through our innovative solution. So let me begin with the brief introduction about the project. So in this part, we will be I will be introducing you through all these topics: introduction, justification for selecting the title, object, problem statement, objectives of the project, literature survey, block diagram, flow chart, technologies used, final UI integration, streamlit navigation, expected reader results, work plan, conclusion, and future scope. So for so let me begin by giving a brief introduction to the project. Legal documentation is something that almost everyone encounters, whether it's signing a lease or writing an agreement or making a contract. But for individuals and small businesses, the legal process can be confusing, expensive, and very time consuming. LegalEase is our attempt to bridge this gap using artificial intelligence. It is a platform that allows users to generate legal drafts, summarize existing legal documents, check for legal compliance, and even ask legal questions. As with the help of an AI-powered assistant, the main goal is to simplify the legal workflow, especially for the users who have no legal background. We choose this project because it addresses a significant problems in society. Today, we lack of access to legal help for common people. Many people avoid dealing with legal documentation simply because of its complexity. With our tool, we provide step-by-step guide for documentation. We enable custom legal drafts for different use cases, and we help promote legal awareness and confidence through clear, easy to understand outputs. That is why we felt the title Legal Is, which combines legal and is was the perfect same name for our solution. So the problem statement. The main problem we identified is this. Legal documents often contain complicated jargon, which can be confusing for non-lawyers. Plus, with access to a lawyer, the drafting process is slow, expensive, and prone to errors. Our solution solves this by automating document generation, checking compliance with Indian laws, and presenting everything in a simple language, even in regional languages like Marathi and Hindi. The core objective of this project are as follows: simplify legal drafting. Let us create let user create agreements and contracts without needing legal knowledge. Ensure legal compliance. Our tool checks documents to make use them follow key Indian laws. Multilingual support. The platform supports English, Hindi, and Marathi to reach more users. Custom drafting. Users can choose the type of document they want and provide details through a format-based interface. Promote legal literacy. We explain key clause and terms in a simple language. Save time and reduce errors. By automating this process, we minimize human mistakes. So for the block diagram, here you can see the block diagram of our system. We begin with a user input either through document or a uploaded form. Depending on the selected feature like drafting or compliance checking, the system follows a specified path. The AI model process the input results like summary, draft or report, which is displayed in the final UI. So for simplification, We upload a document in PDF, image, or a doc file. Then it is given to a review, and the finalized summary is generated. And same for everyone, like drafting. We have some questions that you have to fill, and after filling those questions, you can get a basic draft about the document. So this is the workflow diagram. Our workflow consists of the following steps: upload the document and choose the language, select feature like summary, compliance, or draft generation, processing, extract task, clean, format, detect clause, API call or to AI model. Depending on the feature, we call functions like analyze document, check compliance, or generate draft. Output handling. The model gives back a summary, compliance status, or a final draft document. Then it uses Streamlit UI. The result is presented on an interactive dashboard with options to download. So for technology stack, uh, our project uses a range of technologies. Front end, we have used Streamlit and Python for building the user interface. Backend, we use Python, standard libraries for file handling, JSON, or structured input output, and local storage for file management. AI NLP layer, we use the Grok API and Mixtral 8 into 7B LLM for core document generation and analysis. Optical fine tuning can be done using Hugging Face transformers. Document processing tools like Easy OCR Docs and PIL helps extract and clean context from various formats. We also use tick token ticket talk for managing large document for by controlling token counts. Final UI integration and Streamlit navigation. We built a Streamlit based web dashboard which brings everything together. A clean sidebar based navigation allows switching between modules like drafting, summary, compliance checking, and legal Q&A. Users can upload files, select language, and interact with AI assistant. The design is lightweight and responsive, working well even on mobile devices, and with multi-language support, users feels more included and comfortable. So the model overview. The main modules are legal documentation and drafting. Guide forms help the user create documents like NDA, lease agreement, or contracts. Summarization and validation, upload any legal document, and the tool will give a simplified summary and identity, missing clauses or risk, which can be tailored into three languages: Marathi, Hindi, and English. AI Legal Assistant Chatbot, a multilingual chatbot that explains legal terms, answers questions, and guide users. Each module is designed to work independently but contribute to a complete legal assistant experience. So the expected results: with LegalSI, we aim to automate the most repetitive legal tasks, reduce dependency on costly legal consultants for basic documents, minimize human error caused by misunderstanding legal terms, offer customized legal sound drafts, and finally to educate users about the legal rights and documents. To conclude, LegalEase is a tool that removes fear and confusion around legal documents by using AI. It is smart, fast, multilingual, and designed for everyday users who may never be consulted a lawyer. Looking ahead, we aim to integrate a real-time legal database for live updates, add voice support for regional languages, build user profiles to manage and track down documents, launch a mobile app for easier access, and perform advanced risk analysis to detect loopholes. Thank you.